Have you ever wondered how you can add more value to someone's life? Well, dear listener, you're not alone. We live in a world where people crave connection, understanding, and a sense of being valued. Adding value to someone's life is not just about giving them material things, but it's about enriching their life experiences, their understanding, and their sense of self-worth. It's about making them feel seen, heard, and appreciated. It's about being there for them in ways that matter, in ways that touch their hearts, and in ways that make a real difference. It's about creating moments of joy, moments of understanding, and moments of deep connection. The good news is adding value to someone's life isn't as daunting as it might sound. It's about small gestures, thoughtful actions, and genuine empathy. It's about being intentional in our interactions and being present in our relationships. Now, allow me to guide you through these 5 transformative ways to add more value to someone's life. Firstly, we have empathy. Empathy, dear friends, is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's like stepping into another person's shoes, seeing the world through their eyes. It's not about agreeing or disagreeing, it's about comprehending their perspective, their joys and sorrows, their challenges and triumphs. Imagine a friend who's struggling with a heavy workload. You could show empathy by acknowledging their stress, offering a listening ear, or even helping to lighten their load if you can. It's these small acts of understanding that can make a world of difference. Similarly, consider a loved one who's celebrating a success. Sharing in their joy, acknowledging their hard work and achievements, that's empathy in action too. When we exhibit empathy, we foster deeper connections, create stronger bonds, and truly enrich our relationships. We become more than just friends or family, we become pillars of support, sources of comfort, and partners in joy. Empathy, therefore, forms the foundation of our ability to add value to someone's life. Secondly, we delve into the art of listening. Active listening isn't mere silence while others speak. It's about engaging, understanding, and responding. It's the subtle nod, the thoughtful "I see," or the genuine "tell me more." It's a powerful tool in communication, bridging gaps, and fostering connections. It's the silent language of respect that makes people feel valued. It's the gift of your attention, the affirmation of their worth. By truly listening, we show others that their thoughts, feelings, and experiences matter to us. Thirdly, we explore the concept of generosity of spirit. This is a beautiful quality that extends beyond the material realm. It's not about how much money you give away, but rather about the warmth, kindness, and understanding you bestow upon others. Imagine offering your heart to someone in their time of need, providing a listening ear when they need to vent, or simply sharing a heartfelt compliment. These are the hallmarks of a generous spirit. It's about making people feel seen, heard, and valued for who they truly are. The impact of this trait on relationships is profound. It fosters deep connections, builds trust, and creates an environment where everyone feels cherished and respected. It's like a warm light that illuminates the best in people, inspiring them to shine brighter. A generous spirit, therefore, can instill a sense of worthiness and value in others. Fourthly, we uncover the power of authentic appreciation. This isn't about empty flattery or insincere praise. Rather, it's recognizing the unique qualities and efforts of others genuinely and wholeheartedly. It's about taking a moment to express your gratitude, to acknowledge the value they bring. It's as simple as a heartfelt thank you or well done. When done with sincerity, it can truly uplift someone's spirit, making them feel seen, acknowledged, and valued. Authentic appreciation then can make others feel seen, acknowledged, and valued. Lastly, we discuss the gift of time. Time is a gift we all possess in equal measure, yet it remains one of the most precious things we can offer. It's not about grand gestures or expensive gifts. Sometimes the most valuable thing you can give someone is your time. You see, when we give our time, we're giving a portion of our life that we will never get back. And therein lies the beauty. It's a silent declaration that the other person is worth that part of our life. So how do we give our time? It can be as simple as lending an ear to a friend in need, spending quality moments with family, or volunteering for a cause close to our heart. The impact of this gift on relationships is profound. It builds trust, fosters connection, and strengthens bonds. It's a testament to the fact that we care deeply and genuinely. Giving our time, thus, is one of the most profound ways we can add value to someone's life. So, to recap our journey today, we've explored the top 5 ways to add value to someone's life. We've delved into the importance of empathy, an ability to understand and share the feelings of others, a key ingredient to fostering meaningful relationships. We've discussed the art of listening, a skill that requires patience and attention, and how it can make others feel seen and heard. We've spoken about the power of a generous spirit, the act of giving without expecting anything in return, and how it enriches not only the receiver's life, but also your own. We've highlighted the significance of authentic appreciation, showing genuine gratitude for the people around you. And finally, we've touched upon the gift of time, the most precious thing one can give, demonstrating your willingness to prioritize others. Remember, adding value to someone's life isn't about grand gestures. It's about the small, consistent actions that show you care. So go forth and bring value to the world around you.